Hey everyone, Aaron from ADM Detailing. Today I'm going to take you through the process of preparing PPF for install via our pre-cut method. Pre-cut utilises software and a machine plotter which cuts the panel shapes into the PPF, allowing us to get a quicker install but also a very accurate install. We can also modify the software to wrap edges if we think something isn't to our liking. So let's get straight into it. We start in the software, we grab all the panels that we want to cut, arrange them in a way that we can save space and material, reducing wastage. Once happy with the layout, we'll hit go, send the data to the machine, which uses a little tiny knife and cuts through the top layer of the PPF, not the backing paper, cutting the shapes of the panels that we want to install. Then we move on to the weeding process. This involves removing all of the excess PPF around the panels that we cut. This allows for a more efficient install as we can cut around those little sections and install them individually, and it allows us to see exactly where we're peeling off the backing paper to install the PPF. As you can see here, the shiny parts are the panels that we will eventually peel and install, and that's the whole process of preparing pre-cut PPF.